Hello, this is our open-end project wireless electricity. Now let's run our project. This is the output. This is the source coil which produces electromagnetic waves up to certain range. The devices which are in this range gets charged, and when the devices move out of this range, they get discharged or they get disconnected. Now let's disconnect the tablet. When the tablet gets disconnected, while it is in the range, while it's connected, it's shown by green dots. While it gets disconnected, it becomes red. See here. Now let's disconnect all the devices. When all the devices gets disconnected, the respective the respective status will be also marked as reds. Here computer got disconnected, the phone, and now the iPod. All the devices are disconnected, so it is shown by the red dots here. And when I say reset, they all come in the range, and they start charging. Now let's see the code. These are the header file which are required to draw the animation. The image loaded.h is required for image texture mapping. Now these are the variables which are used for camera settings, that is camera movements, void in it. This is here we have set first the light properties. This render bitmap string is used for drawing the string on the screen. And this load texture image, GLU load texture image, it is used for loading the texture. And draw rocket launch, here GLA cylinder is used as a source. And GLU push map matrix, here we have used the GLU bitmap character for drawing individual character on the screen. And the init rendering will use for loading the image and creating the texture ready for the image. And this is draw scene, this is the main function wherein we draw our objects. First we see how we drawn is GL vertex 3f. This is the function which we use for drawing the waves. Here the cos function and sine function are used for defining the waves. Here only we have drawn the arc, so we have used only 0.5, and this minus 0.80 and this minus 0.80, they refer the position, and 100 is multiplied with the magnitude. And we have used the count variable to draw alternate waves. After the waves, we'll see these are the statuses which are indicating the spheres. The status are indicated by spheres. We have drawn sphere using GL sphere. Next thing is after the waves. Render bitmap string. We have written the strings mobile, computer, iPod using this function render bitmap string. Then computer type image, computer image. The computer which was in the project object is drawn using the function GL quad. GL begin GL quads. We have drawn four vertices and joined there, and we have made it as 3D object using solid cube, blur solid cube. Then in the similar way we have drawn tablet and the nexus using the same GL quads iPod. Then we use this when let's go to main function. We have set 1 2 3 4 values for the right click. We have added menu entry. If we click computer, the function which it calls is here it is, move cylinder computer, in which we are changing only the x-axis, so that it moves to the uh, right of the screen. We are incrementing the x value, we are keeping the y value constant, so it moves to the right of the screen, so it gets animated when it goes out of the range. And we have used this count variable, and when it goes out of the range, it is indicated by red dot. The color of the sphere is changed. That is how we indicated disconnect. Similar way we have used the functions for moving cylinder, tablet, phone, iPod, and charging all, discharging all. And this is a keyboard event. When we press Q, A, S, D buttons, the camera the camera view will change. It is done with help of camx variable, which we set using glookat function. Let's see the glookat function. Here it is, glookat, where we initially we have set the glookat function camx camy minus 45, x as 0, y is minus 45, z as 0 initially. Then when we press wqasd, the camera will change. Now let's see how it changes. This is the camera settings. This will change camera view. Can move to the right, left, and even rotate to the left 360 degree, right 360 degree. This is how the camera view changes. Even you can animate here. This is how you can even see the animation. That's it.